What if I told you I hacked my brain to 10x my focus, without caffeine or hustle culture? I challenged myself to 7 days of weird productivity tricks, and the results shocked me. Imagine going from feeling drained and distracted to being laser-focused and in control of your time. No gimmicks, no hustle burnout, just 5 unconventional strategies that rewired my productivity. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to do the same. Stick around, because you won't want to miss this. Before we dive in, if you're ready to unlock your peak productivity, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to Mansa Musa Mode for more powerful insights. Problem plus promise. Productivity advice is boring. Just wake up early. Use a planner. But what if I told you these 5 unusual strategies actually work? No fluff, just results. Most of us try so hard to be productive, but always feel like we're running in circles. We get caught in a cycle of distractions, procrastination, and exhaustion. I've been there, and I know how frustrating it can be. But what if the secret to getting more done isn't working harder, but working smarter? I tested 5 unconventional tricks that flipped my focus upside down, and trust me, the results were mind-blowing. Core strategies. 1. The phone jail challenge. Day 1. I trapped my phone for 4 hours. Sounds crazy? Vibo's research shows distractions destroy focus, and that's exactly what I was dealing with before this challenge. Here's what happened. Result. I finished 3 days worth of work in just 2 hours. It felt like a cheat code. The hardest part? The constant urge to reach for my phone every few minutes. My fingers twitched, my brain craved dopamine, but I stayed strong. And once I pushed past that discomfort, my focus skyrocketed. I wasn't just more productive, I felt sharper, more creative, and in total control of my time. By the end of the challenge, I realized how much time I was wasting on mindless scrolling. The experience completely changed how I approach deep work. Now, I deliberately plan phone-free blocks every day to maximize efficiency and productivity. It's not about cutting out your phone forever. It's about using it intentionally instead of letting it use you. Comment below. Could you survive without your phone for 4 hours? Let me know. 2. The reverse timer trick. Forget the Pomodoro technique. I set a timer to track wasted time instead. Seeing those minutes slip away? Instant guilt fuel. By day 3, I cut procrastination by 70%. The best part? It completely transformed how I viewed time. Instead of feeling like I had plenty of time, I began to see every minute as precious. That simple shift made me prioritize high-impact tasks and eliminate distractions faster than ever before. The visual reminder that time is slipping away really helped push me to stay on track and tackle those tasks that I used to avoid. The moment I saw the seconds ticking away, I felt a sense of urgency, like a real-life countdown clock pushing me into action. No more, "I'll do it later" mindset. It became a challenge to see how much I could accomplish before time ran out, turning productivity into a game instead of a struggle. And the result? I got more done in a single focused hour than I used to in an entire afternoon. Would you try this timer trick? Drop a comment below. 3. The ugly first draft rule. Perfectionism kills productivity, so I forced myself to start every task by deliberately doing it badly. Sounds dumb, right? But my brain unlocked done is better than perfect mode. Instead of staring at a blank page waiting for the perfect idea, I just got moving. Writing anything, even if it was terrible. The weird part? Once I had something down, fixing it became easy. Perfectionism lost its grip and my output doubled. Over time, this approach built unstoppable momentum, making me more consistent and creative in my work. The best part? It worked for everything. Not just writing, but emails, brainstorming, presentations, and even workouts. The moment I stopped overthinking and just took action, my productivity exploded. It's no longer about being perfect, it's about being productive, even if it's messy. Progress beats perfection every time. Do you struggle with perfectionism? Comment yes if this hack speaks to you. 4. The body double hack. Science says working alongside someone, even virtually, boosts focus by 300%. So, I decided to try it with a stranger from Reddit. Complete game changer. Just having someone else on screen made me stay on task longer. And it wasn't just about accountability. It created a focused energy that made deep work easier. Even though I barely spoke to my work buddy, the mere presence of someone else working kept me in the zone. It felt like my brain tricked itself into thinking, if they're working, I should be working too. No distractions, no endless tab switching, just locked-in productivity. Now, I do this every time I need to power through important tasks. I even found that working in coffee shops or co-working spaces gives me the same effect. There's something about knowing someone else is working that helps you push through distractions and stay focused. It's like having a productivity coach without the cost. Would you work better with an accountability partner? Let me know in the comments. Femta, the 2-second yes. No more, I'll do it later. Saw an email? I replied in 2 seconds. Needed to schedule something? Did it mid-sentence. By day 7, my to-do list was empty. This hack forced me to stop overthinking and take immediate action on small decisions, preventing them from piling up. Instead of mentally bookmarking tasks for later, I just handled them in real time, which kept me organized and stress-free. The best part? It completely eliminated decision fatigue. I felt lighter, more productive, and I didn't waste precious mental energy on things that didn't require much thought. It shifted how I approach daily tasks, making everything seem simpler. Think this small change could help you? Drop a comment if you try it. Mentally bookmarking tasks, I just handled them in real time. The stress relief? Unreal. It completely shifted how I approach daily tasks, making decision fatigue a thing of the past. Think this small change could help you? Drop a comment if you try it. After applying these strategies, I saw some mind-blowing results. Plus 400% more tasks completed. That's right, 4 times as much work done. By eliminating distractions and focusing on high-impact tasks, I crushed my to-do list and was able to finish projects faster than ever before. Minus 90% procrastination. Procrastination? Gone. By reprogramming my habits and using tools like the reverse timer and the ugly first draft rule, I stopped putting things off and started tackling tasks head-on. The constant momentum kept me on track. Plus 3 hours of free time daily. With all the time I saved from focusing better and cutting out distractions, I gained a whopping 3 extra hours each day. That's 3 hours to do whatever I want, whether it's for relaxation, hobbies, or personal growth. The biggest lesson? Productivity isn't about working harder. It's about hacking your brain's natural tendency to get lazy and distracted. Once you train your mind to focus and work efficiently, you'll achieve more with less effort. The key is making small, strategic changes that help you get the most out of your day. It's all about working smarter, not harder. And if you want my free productivity tracker, smash like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the Mansa Musa Mode YouTube channel for more valuable tips. Also follow us on TikTok and Instagram for daily inspiration. Let's level up together.